Instantly transform your walls with RoomMates Peel and Stick Wallpaper, the easiest, fastest, and coolest wallpaper you'll ever hang or remove. Guaranteed. Just peel and stick. Recommended tools: razor knife, plumb line, pencil, ruler or straight edge, plastic smoother, tape measure, scissors, and of course your RoomMates Peel and Stick Wallpaper. Make sure your walls are free of dirt by cleaning them with a clean wet sponge or clean cloth. Let your walls dry completely. Install your first strip. Start from the left side of the room and measure the height of your wall. Then cut a strip of your wall's length, plus add an extra inch or two for trimming at the top and bottom. Before cutting your strips, line up the design repeat from one strip to the next if one exists. From the left corner, measure the width of your strip and draw a plumb line a few quarter of an inch less than the full width of the first strip. It will give you some excess paper to the left that will need to be trimmed right against the wall. Others may install peel and stick wallpaper by butting the left side of the first strip against the left corner of the wall, but many walls are not perfectly straight. We recommend the plumb line method. Next, peel off 1 to 2 feet of the liner backing from the top of the strip and apply to the wall. Pro tip: do not peel off the entire liner backing at once. Peel off 1 to 2 feet at a time and work your way down. The weight of the backing helps guide your strip to the ground and prevents it from curling and sticking onto itself. Someone can also help and guide the installation by holding the bottom of the strip and keeping it away from the wall as you work your way down. Use a plastic smoother to set and smooth out any bubbles. Continue to pull off the backing and smooth every few inches. Trim excess at the top and bottom of your wall. Line up the next panel and repeat steps. Pro tip: to prevent showing any seams, you can slightly overlap each strip over the previous one as long as the design matches perfectly. Ready to change the design and give your room a new makeover? Peel back the top corner of the panel and slowly pull down. Each strip will come off instantly and in full panels. No mess, no fuss. But remember, not all peel and stick wallpapers are created equal. RoomMates Peel and Stick Wallpapers are specifically engineered to never leave any sticky residue or damage the walls, even over long periods of time. This is truly the easiest wallpaper you'll ever hang and remove. No paste or water is needed, just peel and stick. Now you can change your wallpaper as often as your mood strikes or as quickly as your kids grow. You can also use RoomMates Peel and Stick wallpapers to rejuvenate more than just your walls. These wallpapers are ideal for tons of fun DIY projects. Resurface old cabinets or any tired flat surfaces. Create a backsplash. Transform stairs. Serve up style on a decorative tray or update the look of a bookshelf, line drawers, or even frame it. RoomMates Peel and Stick wallpaper can be applied anywhere as long as the surface is smooth, flat, and free of dust and grease. Peel and stick wallpaper will not adhere to unclean or heavily textured surfaces, including orange peel walls, stucco paint, bricks, cinder blocks, textiles, surfaces exposed to extreme heat or cold, and other porous surfaces. If applying to freshly painted walls, allow newly painted surfaces to fully cure for a minimum of 4 weeks before applying. Here's a quick test to guarantee that your walls are clean. Apply and remove several times a piece of clear Scotch tape onto the surface. If you notice dirt or residue on the tape, it means that you need to clean your walls. This is decorating made easy.